guys, what's up? How you doing? And I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, we're doing a Would You Rather challenge with fidget spinners. I didn't order them yet, so don't worry. And yeah, so it's a challenge, and I only put 3 questions that I thought of. My cousins thought of them, and a paper's gonna tell me if they're right or wrong. So let's see. So I only have 3 questions. If I get one wrong, or more than 2, then I will spin a fidget spinner and put it on my butt. It's gonna hurt, but let's do it. So let's start. Alright, first question is, would you rather fall off your chair or fall off a cliff? Fall off a chair. I'll do that one. Now, let's see. It was wrong! I'll put a tally mark. And then, would you rather drown or just die? I just die. That was wrong too! Would you rather badly get hurt or badly not get hurt? I'd badly not get hurt. Oh, it was right. Sweet. Right, so I got 2 tally marks. So which color? Red or blue? If you picked red, you are right. We're going to do red. Alright, so let's switch the cam. Trying. Alright. So, let's do it. Just turn around. Ow! 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 That hurts so bad. Well, I have to do it again. That was the worst spin. So bad. Ugh. Don't try this at home if you don't want to get a fidget spinner to the butt. Alright, so this is going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe to join Maxon Daily and Weird Videos. Apart from that, guys, I'll see you all later. Peace.